Well, I forgot one little thing on the UV Mythbuster, so I'll just add that now. There's something else that will vastly help your UV performance, and it's something that a lot of people forget to do, and that's to clean the quartz tube. Inside the UV there's obviously the bulb, and then surrounding that bulb there's a quartz tube. That quartz tube can get incredibly dirty, especially if you've got hard water. You can end up with calcification on it, and that will block the UV hitting the water. I mean, you can just get full of grime and yucky. So it's probably a good idea to clean that at least every season, if not every 6 months, just to make sure that it stays nice and clear and allows the bulb to do its job. All you basically have to do is, the way I do it, is to get a broom handle and to just pop the quartz sleeve out of the UV. If you've got a pressure filter, when you take the top off to do the UV bulb, the quartz tube is the bubble round it, and you obviously give that a clean. It's quite an easy job with a pressure filter. With the tube type UVs, like the Evo 55s or the Matsus, you have to actually push the quartz tube out. It's held in on two rubber grommets, and what I do is I get a wooden broom handle, and I just use that to gently push the tube through. Quartz tubes are fragile, so be gentle with them. Don't go trying to tap them out with a hammer, because you'll just break it. Fortunately, they're not massively expensive to replace. Some people just replace the quartz tube every year. I find one of those nice green pan scrubbers and a bit of elbow grease, and all the muck will come off it. And then you just slide it back in. And what I always find useful is to put a bit of Vaseline on those rubber seals. Just helps the tube slide in a little bit easier. So that's just a little addition to my Mythbuster number one. I was focusing so much on the bulbs themselves, I forgot about the quartz tube. So you'll have to watch this one to get a little bit more information. Cheers, guys.